with parallelograms, the first rule we're going to look at is the opposite sides are parallel. So when you look at a 1 and 3, those represent alternate interior angles. Therefore, they're congruent. So these two measures are the same. I'm just going to set it equal. Get x is 9. Plug that in to angle 1, and that's going to be 9 plus 12, which gives you 21 degrees. Same thing's going on for 2 and 4. That represents the top parallel to the bottom. So those two alternate interior angles are congruent. So I can set these two equal. When I do that, if I subtract x from both sides, and then subtract 20 from both sides, I get x is 15. Then when I plug that into angle 2, I get 3 times 15 plus 20, which is 45 plus 20, which gives me 65. As far as the problem like number 44 goes, definitely want to draw a diagram. So I'm going to label this F, G, H, J, and I'm going to fill in what I know. FG is x plus 5, GH is 2x plus 3. Then they give me the measure of angle G, which is 40, and the measure of angle J, which is 4x plus 12. Now, one thing about this is that the opposite sides are congruent. So the top would be congruent to the bottom, and the left would be congruent to the right. Unfortunately, none of those match, so I can't set up an equation. Next thing I know is that opposite angles are congruent. So that would mean these two angles are congruent. Angle J is congruent to angle G. So there's my equation. 4x plus 12 equals 40. So when I solve this, I come up with x equals 7. Now we're not done, because they want us to find the measure of angle F and the perimeter of FGH. Well, F and G are supplementary. They're same side interior angles, or they're consecutive interior angles of parallelogram. So that's going to be 140. But as far as the perimeter goes, I want to go back and plug in here. So 7 plus 5 makes the top equal to 12, which also means the bottom is 12. If I plug 7 into the right side, this would be 14 plus 3, which is 17 for the right, which also makes the left side 17. So as far as the perimeter goes, this is going to be the top plus the right plus the bottom plus the left, which is going to give me a grand total of 58.